तो इसमें हम लोग घर घर बिक्री, डोर टू डोर सेलिंग, सेल्स गर्ल्स एक घर की घंटी बजाती है और घर घर जा कर के जो सेलिंग करते हैं सेल्समैन, उनकी बात हो रही है। हाउस वाइफ से बात कर रहे, घंटी बजाती है। तो यस, व्हाट इज इट? स्माइलिंग pleasantly. Good morning, madam. I am Anupma Mishra from Health Hearts. Our company has brought out a breakfast cereals. It is very nourishing, delicious, and good for health. मतलब हमारी कंपनी ने एक ब्रेकफास्ट सीरियल निकाला है, बहुत ही पौष्टिक, स्वादिष्ट और दिल के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, ये कह रही है वो लड़की जो बेचने गई है। Look, I am very busy right now. Sales girl. I appreciate, madam, but just spare a moment and please look her. For the product's promotion, we are offering a bargain price. You will get 750 gram from the price of 500 gram. Besides, this airtight container comes free with 750 gram pack. What is the price? Only 40 rupees at the counter. The same pack is selling for 50 rupees. 40 rupees is too much. Believe me, madam, it is our economy pack, and if you buy now, I will give these colorful ball pens as extra gifts to you. Well, I have never tried it before. Here, please taste it. Your family will love the taste. It is really very good. I have already sold 20 packets in the colony. All right, I'll take it. How many packs, madam? Just one. Sure, madam. Your name, please? Mohini said, let me get the money. पैसे लाती हूँ. Thank you. Have a good day, madam. Bye. Okay. Now we will meet in next video.